Welcome to the portal for the Massachusetts Virtual Peer Support Network. The Betsy Lehman Center worked with RL Datix to build this portal to help facilitate peer support interactions in a timely manner. Peer supporters will each have an account in the portal, which we will use to communicate with you when someone is in need of support. So, how does it work? Let's dive in. You will receive an email from Microsoft Invitations on behalf of the Center for Health Information and Analysis. CHIA is the Betsy Lehman Center's sister agency that helps manage our technology tools, including the peer support portal. Open that email and click Accept Invitation. This will prompt you to log into your Microsoft account if you already have one, or you can create a new Microsoft account. Enter your email address and follow the prompts. Here's a tip. Use the send a code option instead of a password if you aren't sure whether you already have a Microsoft account or if you can't remember your password. Click Stay Signed In if you don't want to log in each time you visit the portal. If you're having trouble setting up a Microsoft account or logging in, email peer.support@betsylehmancenterma.gov. After you've set up your Microsoft account, go back to your email for a link to access the portal. The message will be from RL Datix Peer Support with the subject line, Join Peer Support. Click the button that says Join Peer Support. This will bring you to the portal where you can click Sign On. Use the credentials you just set up with your Microsoft account. You may already be logged in if the browser remembers you. The first time you log in, we'll ask you for a little bit more information about you to help us make the best possible matches between peer supporters and those asking for help. If you'd like to edit this in the future, you can also access the form by clicking the person icon in the top right corner and clicking My Account. Now that you've set up your account and logged in, we're going to review the process of 1. Responding to a support request, and 2. Working a support case. Responding to a support request. When the Betsy Lehman Center peer support team assigns you a case, you will receive an email from RL Datix with the subject line, New Peer Support Request for You. The email will include key details about the person requesting support. If you have the capacity to support, please click Accept. If you are unable to provide support for any reason, click Decline instead. If you click Accept, you will be redirected to the portal and the case will be listed on the page called My Requests. There's also a chance that someone else accepted the request before you did. If this happens, you will not see the case listed on this screen. If there is no request there, you don't have to do anything. Otherwise, click on the case to read more about the person who reached out for support and why. If you accept the case but realize later that you are unable to provide support because you are away, you don't have the bandwidth, or you just clicked Accept by accident, select Reassign in the top right corner. This returns the case to the Betsy Lehman Center peer support team and we will assign it to someone else. Working a support case. Once you have accepted the case, please reach out to the person using the contact information provided. Use the portal to keep track of each interaction. You can do this by clicking on the case and selecting Add Communication. Please document your activity here, whether you were able to speak to the person or simply left a message. You can look back on these interactions by clicking on the case and selecting Communications at the top. A case is complete when you have provided support and no follow-up is needed. When this happens, you can go back to the case and click Complete in the bottom right corner. Before finalizing, you will be asked to add a short note about why you are completing the case. If you think the person needs additional support beyond what you can provide as a peer supporter, you can check the box that says Refer to Tier 3 Support. This will notify us, and the Betsy Lehman Center peer support team will step in and connect the person to the support they need. When you click Complete, the case will be removed from your portal and you will no longer be able to access it. If you have any additional questions about the peer support portal, click Help and Training for more detailed how-to videos and a user guide. You can also reach out to the Betsy Lehman Center team at any time. We are here to help and welcome any questions from our peer supporters. Thank you for volunteering your time and expertise to help healthcare workers in Massachusetts. you're making a meaningful impact on lives in your organizations and across the state.